model, 2010 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 313 Cdi long wheelbase, spares or repairs runs excellent. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 126282. MOT, the 18th of March 2025. Engine, 2143 cc ohm 651,129 hpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox selector will need replacing as only selects first and second. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.